Hello everyone. So in this lesson we're going to be learning how to find the circumference of a circle. So I've got my circle here. Now a circle is only characterized by one dimension, that dimension being its radius, which is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. Now the radius for a perfect circle should be constant for the whole circumference. So the distance from here to here and the distance from here to here should be the same, and that should be true for anywhere on the circle. So that means when we're trying to find the circumference of the circle, or even the area of a circle, it's only going to depend on one dimension, that being the radius. So let's see what the circumference of the circle is. So the circumference C is equal to 2 pi radius. So 2 times pi times the radius. So we can see we've got this radius parameter in here. Where does the 2 pi come from? Well, we discovered thousands of years ago that for any circle, well, actually for a unit circle, which is a circle with radius 1, the distance, if you measure it around half the circle, is equal to this number pi, which is about 3.14. So for a unit circle, the distance halfway around is equal to pi. So obviously, if you want to go the full way around, you have to multiply that by 2. So pi is halfway, 2 pi is all the way. When the circle gets bigger, the circumference just scales with the radius. So we can go ahead and work out what the circumference of this particular circle will be. So we've got our radius equals 3. Let's give it some units, maybe 3 centimeters. 2 times pi times 3. So we can do a bit of simplification here. This is equal to 6 pi. 6 pi. So if we want to know exactly what that is, you could always punch it into a calculator, which I'll do now. So 6 times pi on the calculator gives us about 18.85. 18.85 centimeters. Great, thanks for watching.